personally comment on the raging issue of LGBTQ in Ghana. No ifs or buts, no shades of grey. And I stand opposed to it now, and I will stand opposed to it as president, inshallah.
Na break chirieno nene ebo bompe manyame ye yetati na awia na bompe manyame na ya sinwie kuruma santi na yesala we na edi kan ye yi azumi wia yi chiri awia na yi we akatuma na esai de ko o makano na esai ba ko
tino wa mwa ni ya shusule yenu wa babi hasi Allah Alhaji Ibrahim Abdulrahman Sanfu na uku shike shigowa shike rike da ainihin kujera na ainihin zango na tare da shi mai martaba Alhaji Alisba yana da chairman Umar Faruk Allah ya ba mu sa'a ya ba mu ikoki Ben Abdullah lawyer da kanshi shi ma yana tare da vice president Hakim Salewa wanda ke da wani vice president da zai kai shi wasu protocol was a your vice president or your ceremony to never be sorry. Oba wa chewi a wakotna sia that is a program near day and shasia vice president yama wa papa
regional chairman na party MPP wanda yake ita ke mulki chairman Bernard Mshiku Siakun yawanci na kiran shi chairman mutum yana tare da mu nan da sannan muna tare da former northern regional minister Salifu Said shi kuma yana tare da mu nan da information sannan muna tare da yan shidan kulejen baba Appiah daga Tabar Dr. Ibrahim Anyas mataimaki ne na musamman kuma deputy campaign manager mu ne na zaɓen da za a yi shekarar ga shi ma yana tare da mu. Tare da mu kuma ne former general secretary MPP Mr. Kwamna Ejire Ejapon shi ma mataimaki ne na musamman na mataimakin shugaban kasa. Tare da mu lawyer Stephen Asakwa Gwati Honorable Stephen Asakwa Gwati shi ne minister for chieftaincy yana tare da mu ga wanda ya zama lawyer shi ne lawyer Ben Abdul Banda shi ne chairman mu na National High Court sannan kuma shi ke kula da lamura na zango baki daya cikin wannan gwamnati shi kuma yana tare da mu ga sauran da manyan party MPP ne na kasan da jiya Ashanti ba zan iya kuka sunan kowa ɗaya bayan ɗaya ba sannan wanda suka ko shi ne yana mataimakin shugaban kasa shi ne manyan masu kula da tsaro daga 'yan sanda zuwa ga sojojin kasa su masu rabu shi aka zo da su shi ne wanda zan kaddamar shi ne regional minister munan Mr. Simon Semensa former MP Bukinan na Kusuchi shi ne regional minister a nan
representative of Otumfo Osage to the second ministers, all dignitaries that have accompanied His Excellency here this morning. The person I'm going to introduce is, I want to come out with all his accolades. I'm sure it will take me more than 24 hours. So for want of time, I'm going to be very brief. Thus, I say, without any threat of doubt, that he's been the most performing vice president under the 1992 democratic dispensation. He's introduced several far-reaching policies to support his boss, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. Because of his knowledge in problem solving using digital solutions, people call him Mr. Digital. To manage the economy and things are improving. It's nobody else but the flag bearer of the new patriotic party, the vice president of the Republic of Ghana, the January 7, 2025 president of Ghana.
The representative of the Asante Otumfo Osage to the second. Nana Edibo the second. Otumfo's Jasihene. Our regional minister, Minister for Religions and Chieftaincy Affairs, the Presidential Coordinator for Zungo and Inner City Development, Engineer Kobnaje Ejapong, the Regional Chairman Wood to me, former Northern Regional Minister, Honorable Saleh Fusai, Dr. Anya, Deputy Campaign Manager, the Ashanti Regional Chief Imam, and the Chairman of the National Peace Council Ashanti Region, Ministers of State, Members of Parliament, MMDC, CEOs, Ulama, and Zumbo Chiefs, fellow Muslims, Jama'ah, Salamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Today is a sacred day and an auspicious one for Muslims around the world, having embarked on a month-long spiritual journey of fasting in the holy month of Ramadan, praying ceaselessly for family and loved ones, and showing kindness to humanity. As we climax the celebration of Eid al-Fitr today, a unique day of gratitude, remembrance, charity, and feast, I join fellow Muslims and fellow Ghanaians to say Alhamdulillah. And on behalf of His Excellency President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo and the government, I also extend a warm message of congratulations to the Muslim Ummah for the successful completion of an engrossing and surely a fulfilling spiritual exercise. As the exalting and gratifying chorus of Subhanallah, Walhamdulillah, Wallah ilaha Allahu Akbar reverberate across We indeed cannot thank the Almighty Allah enough as we say Subhanallah, Walhamdulillah, Wa la ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar. For His bountiful mercy and grace upon us. Not many were here with us last year, are with us today, and not many who started this year's Ramadan with us are with us today. As we observe the day and exalt Almighty Allah, let us spare a moment and remember our loved ones who have been called by our Maker and are no more with us. May the Almighty Allah extend His infinite mercy upon all of them. And on this special day, let us continue the remarkable kindness we showed during Ramadan by extending warm support and love to members of our community in need of our warmth and kindness. Our sacrifices, spiritual fulfillment, and joy will be meaningless if that family or that community neighbor is unhappy today because they don't have what it takes to put smiles on their faces on the day everyone should be fulfilled. And beyond the holy month of Ramadan, let us all strive to make every month and every moment special by being kind to humanity, demonstrating peace, love, unity, in accordance with the dictates of Islam and the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I always reiterate the need for peace, tolerance, and unity amongst our diverse community because of its incalculable value to human existence and nation building. We often don't cherish these values until they are lost. So it is important we continue to remind ourselves of the need to uphold them. My brothers and sisters, it is not for nothing that the Holy Quran copiously admonishes us to uphold peace, respect, and tolerance, to strengthen unity in a diverse race and societies of the world. For us in Ghana, our diversity is more telling in our ethnic backgrounds and religious beliefs, and we have remarkably held firmly together as one people over the years in spite of the threat and bigotry of some overzealous individuals and groups. Let us continue to hold firmly as one people and continue to strengthen our national spirit of inclusivity, tolerance, peace, and unity. The beauty of our country's diversity, tolerance, and respect for it is demonstrated by my recent historic election as flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, a party dominated by our Christian and non-Northern brothers and sisters. Indeed, some naysayers and persons with impossibility mindsets said it was not possible for me to be elected as flag bearer because of my background. But the party proved that in Ghana, we are one people foremost. We respect diversity and we respect each other. And we respect competence, integrity, and hard work. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as we approach the campaign season for the elections in December, let us all be guided by acts which will preserve and uphold the diversity of our country and its unity. To the youth, you are the nation's most valuable asset, and under no circumstance should anybody lead you into any form of electoral violence. Ghana needs you, safe, active, and lively, to lead the nation's charge in the promising fourth industrial revolution. Let us all say say no to all forms of electoral violence. Election is a matter of choosing leaders peacefully, who I believe have been ordained by Allah. Allah has told us in Quran chapter 3 verse 26 that sovereignty and power belongs to Allah, and He gives sovereignty and power to whom He wills. The Christian faith similarly shares the same view. So it is important for all of us to go about the electoral process peacefully, for the good people of Ghana to vote for God's will to prevail. No single life should be lost. No property should be destroyed. No relations should be ruined because of differences in our political views. On this special day, let me also reiterate our government's commitment to inclusive development of our nation, a policy which has ensured that no group or community has been left behind in our development agenda across the nation in the past 7 years. For the Zongo community, I'm happy to say that our decision to establish a special development vehicle, the Zongo Development Fund, has yielded impactful results with a number of infrastructure projects, over 200 of them across the country, as well as provided educational grants and scholarships to brilliant but needy students, including 40 students from Zongos currently studying medicine in Cuba on full scholarship. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this opportunity to personally comment on the raging issue of LGBTQ in Ghana. First of all, it is important to note that our cultural and societal norms and values as Ghanaians frown on the practice of homosexuality. Furthermore, as a Muslim, my view on this matter aligns with the position of my religious faith. The Holy Quran is replete with verses frowning on LGBTQ acts, including same-sex marriages. My faith is therefore very strictly against the practice of homosexuality. Allahu Akbar. No ifs or buts, no shades of grey. Therefore, I personally cannot support that which my religion, and indeed all major religions in Ghana, as well as our societal norms and values, clearly and unequivocally forbid. All the major religious traditions in Ghana, Christianity and Islam, are opposed to this practice. And I stand opposed to it now, and I will stand opposed to it as president, inshallah. Finally, my brothers and sisters, as the holy month of Ramadan leaves us, let us continue to uphold the good values of kindness, sacrifice, and forgiveness, which we demonstrated in the past 1 month. Our communities and our nation will continue to be a great place for us if we continue to be each other's keeper. May the Almighty Allah accept our prayers. Grant us the blessings of Ramadan and Eid al-Fitr, and also bless our homeland Ghana. Barakada Sallah Jama'a. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. His Excellency.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in.
غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
آمين.
والذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى وبالحق ليظهره على دين كله وكفى بالله شهيدا. محمد رسول الله والذين معه أشداء على الكفار رحماء بينكم تراهم ركعا سجدا يبتغون فضلا من الله ورضوانا سيماهم في وجوههم من أثر السجود ذلك مثلهم في التوراة ومثلهم في الإنجيل كالزرع أخرج شطأه فآزره فاستغلظ فاستوى على سوقه يوجب الزراع ليكيد الكفار. وعد الله الذين آمنوا منهم مغفرة وأجرا عظيما. الله أكبر.
الله أكبر.
سمع الله لمن حمده.
ربنا ولك الحمد. الله أكبر.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. آمين. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. الله أكبر.
الله أكبر.
سمع الله لمن حمده.
ربنا ولك الحمد.
الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
بما هو له أهل من الحمد وأثنى عليه وأعوذ به وأتوكل عليه. من يهدي الله فلا مضل ومن يضلل فلا هادي له. وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له. وأشهد أن سيدنا ونبينا محمدا عبده ورسوله وصفيه من خلقه وخليله سأل ربه بالأمن في الوطن ودفع الفتن والمحن ما ظهر منها ما بطن صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم الأحياء من المهاجرين والأنصار ومن تبع إحسان إلى يوم الدين. الله أكبر. الله أكبر.
الله أكبر.
الله أكبر.
الله أكبر.
الوطنية في موقف البابل التعافي والروعة إنما وقف ليلة الهجرة على مشارف مكة المكرمة والتفت للكاية ليفتح كلمات الوطن قال تعالى أما ما أطيبك من البلد وحسبك لولا أن قومي أخرجوني منك ما سكنت إليك. أيها المسلمون إن هذا الذي نعمنا بالأمن والطمأنينة من أكنافه وإجنا على خير استثناء العبد وزيد الامن والصلاه وقد كان نبينا صلى الله عليه وسلم الا ان نكون من هذا الصنف من الناس حيثما كنا بطالا افشوا السلام بينكم وبدل السلام والدعاء ليس بان يقول المرء لمن حوله السلام عليكم بل ان تكف الاذى عن الناس وان يسلم الناس من اساءته واذاهم كما قال صلى الله عليه وسلم في حديث الشريف المسلم من سلم الناس من لسانه ويده والمؤمن من امنه الناس في دمائهم واموالهم ووالد الامر يتاكل كذلك بان نكون عملة الخير ومصدر الامن والسلام من حولها وبالغلو بالبسمه صادقه او النيات خيرا او كلمه طيبه او بشاره ساره فكل هذا من المعروف الذي لا ينبغي ان نحتكره مهما كان يسيرا وقد قال صلى الله عليه وسلم لا تحركن من المعروف شيئا ولو ان الشرك اخر وجه الصرف انك حقيق الامر منا لان الفتنه وتمنع قيامها وان ندع اشاعه كاذبه وان نبتعد عن تاويل امنيه وتعطيل المسالمين وان يكون في دعائنا لربنا في صلواتنا ربي اجعل هذا البلد امنا من ذلكم امن عباد الله هو الواجب الاول من واجب الاتي من واجب هذا تجيبنا واسال الله عز وجل ان يديم علينا الامر والايمان اقول قولي هذا استغفر الله لي ولكم فاستغفروه انه هو الغفور الرحيم. Kano
Nyamia say ene da kesi a ebe de yabe sala ewie ade edikan sala ewie a ebe sa ko gangara nti yutu no de bia ya kan asem kiro mo omunsua peyinfo no ene sesi aso zongo asem bia ba mu zongo nti esro mo a mo ko ese mu asem bia zongo fo nti esro mo omunsua peyinfo ena abatu so ebeto aba de abatu so no obia ensua nyansa ma obia bedada no sika bi no nkodi ade a emfata nti esro yutu na omfa education no emfa nto omo adwunu mu ene hia na munja omudidi political party for na chi no nti ene de am ya se yatima ba abeye sala boko awie boko nti de am ya se nyamai afefofo ene so yewura otufo se dutu the second nyame ma no kwantenten nti mpaabo de abobere e de ma yewura nti de am ya se nyame atima ma yaba abeye sala boko
Denti ni ebube ne brebe se si ebube ebeye de den
kura preko enim sebe odwampopo bi esi kuro ni mu a wase wadoro sra
Tanyini wantena fie ema aseduamfo
blani pie frimantam bahin se pin enye nkwande wa na yesotro no wa
ansa na odi asebe fita na no makode ebrensi am wa otua ne nsem mojabumo ni mu bi
duanani wie klaman wo ye sofo kra wonye yie bi
tontonte ye no sa na ye fa
nyansapo
abone ntakra na mane yekese na ntakra abone de fanyinam kwatere kwa
oda woro manto me ye fe ni din de sein
ni din do obama
akola wa no so pese otrimu osuma ense bratam
ne honhon hia na amerika sa
sebe ka ya twere ni mu nyame nai ebu afaso enye de ya twere ni mu twa nyame
sebedi akone bakwen bodi atwede na se kofi nro ni ya aben ntime nyina ni mu ampata na wo ya de